Hello, everybody, and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. And this is your master teacher Haripriya. Welcome to yet another wonderful class. And today we are going to do grade 7th के simple equations. Now, simple equations ऐसा chapter है जो कि सब बच्चे सोचते हैं कि यार बहुत ही difficult है. How do we deal? How do we solve a big, huge word problem? So today, in today's session, I am going to tell you how easy peasy it is to crack any word problem, small or big, given to you in your exam. So today's session will be all about knowing the concepts and also the tricks that I'm going to tell you to form an equation, right? So dose of motivation के साथ शुरू करते हैं. Learning is the only thing the mind never exhausts, never fears, and never regrets also. So make sure that you're learning something or the other. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हमें सब कुछ आता है ना. Even if I'm a teacher, it's not like I know everything in mathematics. There's always something new to learn, right? So please remember this. Wherever you are, whatever position you are, whatever you're doing, there is always something new to learn, and the mind is never exhausted or never fears to learn something new or never regrets to learn something new, right? So, chalo shuru karte hain. Before we get started, you know what to do. Mark your attendance by liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to share this video with your friends as well. So, chalo shuru ho jate hain. Come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Is everybody ready? How is the energy, guys? How is the energy? All good? एक बार मैं लाइव चैट पे देख लेती हूँ यहाँ पे. Hi ASP, long time. Awesome. Hi Girinder Kumar. Hi Pratima. Hi Mayank. Yo. Hi Chirag. Long time. I'm doing great. How are you? The Josh is hi. Good evening, everybody. Ma'am, I liked the video and shared it with also. Awesome. Thank you, Akanksha. Thank you so much, guys. Be like Akanksha. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Starting off with the hero of simple equation, which is variable. So what is the meaning of variable? Variable is something which is not fixed. मतलब जिसका value fixed नहीं है. It can keep changing depending upon the question, depending upon the equation, depending upon the situation given to us, right? So a variable takes different values depending on the numericals, depending on the equations and the conditions. So basically, the values are not fixed. So variables can be anything between your A to Z. आपको सब alphabets तो आते होंगे ना. ABCD तो आपने सीख लिया है, right? So the 26 English alphabets that we have, you can use any of them, small case letters में, as variable. So if I write an equation, x plus 4 is equal to 7. So जो यहाँ पे आपको letter दिख रहा है, this is called as a variable, right? So if I write y square minus 1 is equal to 10. So what is the variable here? Y is your variable. Now variable का opposite है constant. Constant is a fixed value. You can't change. Now if I tell you, you got 92 out of 100. You got 92 marks. Can I change the number 92? Can I change the value of 92? Yes or no? You tell me in the chat box. Can I change the value of 92? I cannot. The value is fixed, है ना? So that's why it is called as a constant. And when we talk about simple equation, the definition of constant, it can be an integer, it can be a decimal, it can be a fraction, it can be a rational number, it can be an irrational number, it can be a natural number, a whole number, it can be anything. Okay? Integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, fractions, decimals, rational number, irrational number. A constant can be anything. And what is a constant? The value is fixed. You cannot change the value. So if I take an equation 4x plus 5 equals 9. तो यहाँ पे 5 is constant and 9 is also a constant, right? So we have two constants here, correct? So 5 and 9, both of them are constants, right, everybody? Yes? I have some problems in word problems, so will you please explain me? Yes, yes. Girindra, can you please text me on Telegram? You join our Telegram channel, Vedantu Young Wonders. There you can see me as a participant, Haripriya. Please send me your word problems there. I have already bought a lot of word problems for today's class. Try understanding, and if that solves your doubt, very nice. If not, you can connect with me on Telegram. Okay? Okay? Ma'am, tomorrow I have a test on lines and angles. ASP, I have already made a video on lines and angles this week. Go check it out on the page. Okay? Okay, everybody? Yes. Chalo. So now we know what is a constant, what is a variable. Now, what is an algebraic equation and an algebraic expression? There is a lot of difference between an expression and an equation. An expression is that which includes variables and at least one operator. What is an operator here? What are the operations that we're talking about in mathematics? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? So these are the examples of operators, and these are the examples of algebraic expression. It has a variable term, it has a constant term, it has an operator. When you see these three things, VOC, variable, operator, constant. When you see these three ingredients, that means you have made a perfect algebraic expression. Now, what is an equation? Now, if I take an expression 3x plus 4, and if I say that this is equal to 19, so what did I just do? I equated an expression with another expression, that is 19, another constant, that is 19. Since you have an equal to symbol, this entire thing here becomes an algebraic equation. So, a mathematical statement with two expressions as a set are set of equal to each other. So, here 3x plus 4 is an expression and 19 is an expression. Both of them are equal to each other. So, you can say 3x plus 4 equals to 19 is an algebraic equation. It has a left hand side and a right hand side. But guys, look at the ingredients. Variable, you have an operator, you have a constant, right? Now, what is a coefficient? And what are terms? These are two new terms that we have learned. What is a coefficient? When I take a constant and multiply it with a variable, when I make constant and variable friends, what will happen here? It becomes a variable term. So that constant that you're seeing, you should not call it a constant anymore. You give it a new name. What is that new name? It is called as a coefficient. That 7 is called as the coefficient. And then this x is a variable. And this 3x is a term, a variable term. This 4 is a term, right? So 3x plus 4 equals to 19 is an algebraic equation. Okay? Yes, everybody? All good? Yes, yes. VQuiz will be there. Don't worry. Once we finish through the concepts and problems and word problems, we'll have VQuiz. Okay? Okay, everyone? Achha. Chalo. Just give me 1 minute here. Let us get started and learn about the methods of solving an equation. Now we have built an equation with all the ingredients. Now we have created a problem for ourselves. So we have to find a solution also, right? So the first one is balancing method. This is one method to find solution of an equation. And the second one is the transposing method. Now, what is a balancing method? Now, balance matlab kya hai? Now, if I take a mouse on this and if I take my bottle, oh God, so heavy. Everybody, look at this. If I take bottle in the right hand and mouse in the left hand, so you know that the weight of the mouse is very light, but the bottle is heavy weight, है ना? So what is happening? There is an imbalance. Balance नहीं हो रहा है. कब होगा balance? When the weight on my left hand side and right hand side become equal to each other. When the weight becomes equal to each other, then you can say that it is balanced. So I will add something here so that my equation is balanced, right? So balancing method is used for solving an equation. And then we have transposing method. Transposing is sending variable or constants from left hand side to right hand side to left hand side with few rules that we will learn. Okay? Hi Nancy. Can you share the Telegram link? It is in the description box. If you don't get it in the description box, just type Vedantu Young Wonders. You will get the official channel on Telegram. Okay? Okay, everybody? Easily understood by this activity? Awesome, Akanksha. Thank you. Chalo. Now let's learn about balancing method. Now, I have an equation 3x minus 2 equal to 4. Okay. Now, to find the value of x, we have to isolate our x. We have to quarantine our x. Now, what do we mean by quarantine? We all know due to pandemic. Quarantine is separating something so that the infection does not spread. The separating the infected person. So, यहाँ पे the variable is the infected person. So, you have to keep x separately on the left hand side and take everything else on the right hand side. How can we do that? Now, let us take 3x minus 2 equals to 4. Now, I have to somehow isolate my x, somehow quarantine my x. So, first I have to remove this 2. So, what will I do? I will add 2 on my left hand side. Now, in balancing method, to maintain balance, if you are adding 2 kgs on your right hand side, you have to add 2 kgs on your left hand side also. Only then the balance will maintain. Hai na? So if the weight of the mouse and the weight of my specs case is the same. Now, if I add my lip balm to my right hand side, the weight is increasing here. Hai na? So it will go down. So I have to add the same weight on my right hand side also to maintain the balance. So if I'm adding 2 to my left hand side, I have to add 2 to my right hand side also. Why? Because I have to maintain the balance. But why are we adding 2? So that plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So if that is cancelling, we are only left with 3 multiplied with x, that is 3x, which is equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. Now I have to remove 3. If I remove 3, x is quarantined, x will be isolated. So what will I do? If I divide by 3 on left hand side and right hand side. Why did I divide? So that this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So what am I left with? I'm only left with x. 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So your x is equal to 2. Understood? So this is the solution. X equals to 2 is the solution of the equation 3x minus 2 equals to 4. So guys, in balancing method, you have to perform the same operations on left hand side and right hand side to maintain the balance. And why are we doing this? Because we want to quarantine our x. We want to isolate our x to the left hand side. We have to isolate our x to the left hand side so that you get your solution. Okay? Everybody understood here? Now, let us talk about transposing method. What is transposing? Transposing is sending one thing to the other place. From one side two other. So if I have an equation x plus 2 equals to 11, if I have an equation x plus 2 equals to 11, I have to quarantine my x. Matlab, I have to send this. Guys, just give me 1 minute. There's just a moth. Anyways, okay. I hate flying moths. Okay, they just fly around for no reason. Anyways, so if I have to isolate my x, I have to transpose. I have to send my plus 2 to the right hand side. So as a he you cannot send. There are few rules in transposition. Now when you are transposing a constant or a variable, your plus will transpose to the other side and will become minus 2. So plus 2 when you send it to the other side will become minus 2. So you have quarantined your x, you have isolated your x. So x is equal to 9. We got a solution. Hi, Easy Tune. Okay, okay. Chal. Ma'am, applications of simple equations. Yes, UV, we will be doing that. Yes, ASP, you are right. Linear equations in one variable and simple equations are same. Linear equations you will learn in grade 8. Simple equations you will learn in grade 7. Okay? Now, let us take another equation here. I am taking 2x plus 2 is equal to x minus 5. What is so special about this equation? When you notice the left hand side and right hand side, both of them have variables. So there is no rule that always variables should be on the left hand side. ऐसा कोई rule है नहीं. But to make things easy for us, we will send all the variables to the left hand side and all the constants to the right hand side. Okay? So what do we have here? You'll have 2x. Now this is plus x minus 5. So plus x when you take it to the other side will become minus x. Your addition will become subtraction. Subtraction will become addition. Division will become multiplication and multiplication will become division. So your plus x, you shift to the other side will become minus x. And minus 5 will be as it is. This minus is still there. Don't eat that minus. Okay. So minus 5 is as it is. Now plus 2 when you take it to the other side will become minus 2. What is 2x minus x? X. What is minus 5 minus 2? Minus 7. So what is the solution of the equation? X is equal to minus 7 is the solution. Okay? Yes, everybody? Understood? Okay, okay. Guys, do not forget to hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button yet. मैं देख रही हूँ यहाँ पे 44 people are watching but only 27 likes. ऐसे क्यों? ऐसे क्यों? Chalo, chalo. Let us get started with the next. Now what did we do? We had an equation. We got a solution from it. Can we do ulta? If I give you a solution, can you form an equation? Yes. And the good part is, if I give you a solution, you can form multiple, infinitely many equations. But if I give you an equation, you can only have one solution. But if I give you solution, you can have infinitely many equations. What do I mean by that? Now, if I give you a solution, x is equal to 7. I told you that the value of the variable x is 7. Now, I'm telling you form an equation. So, what will one kid do? One kid will be like, okay, I'll multiply with 2 on both sides. So you have 2x is equal to 14. I will subtract with 4 on both sides. So 2x minus 4 is equal to 14 minus 4 which is equal to 10. So you got an equation 2x minus 4 equals to 10. This is one equation. Somebody else will add 5 on both the sides. So they will be getting x plus 5 is equal to 12. Somebody will divide with 2 on both the sides and then subtract and then add. So every person on the planet can form one equation for this solution. So there are infinitely many solutions. If I give you infinitely many equations if I give you one solution. Okay? But if I give you an equation, it will only have one solution. Okay? So here, if we follow the reverse path with each step, we get the solution. Okay? So here you have x is equal to 5. Okay, we get the solution of the equation if we follow the reverse path. मतलब एक equation से आप solution find out कर रहे हो. So here you have a solution. X is equal to 5 is a solution. I have multiplied with 4 on both the sides. I have subtracted with 3 on both the sides. So I have an equation 4x minus 3 equals to 17. Right? This is our equation. Now, if I solve this equation 4x minus 3 equals to 17, I will get the solution as x is equal to 5. Understood? So, this is how you form an equation from a solution. Okay? Hi Manju. Hello. Hello Parul. Hi Singer Boy. So the moral of the story you have to remember is one equation, one solution. One solution, multiple equations. Okay? How to frame an equation? Akanksha, I'm getting there. We will do that in long time. Okay? I'll give you word problems. We'll form it together and solve. Don't worry. Okay? Now, find three equations whose solution is x is equal to minus 3. So what will I do? I will add 3 on both the sides. So x plus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 3. So you have x plus 3 is equals to 0. I will multiply with 2 on both the sides. So I have 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So I have one equation like this. This is equation number 1. Now let's take up another equation. Equation number 2. Now what will I do here? I will divide by 2 on both sides. X by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now I will add with 4 on both the sides. X by 2 plus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 4. So you have x by 2 plus 4 is equals to 5 by 2. Why? I took LCM. What did I do here? Minus 3 by 2 plus 4. So the LCM here would be 2. 4 I can write it as 4 by 1. So 2 is the LCM. So minus 3 will be as it is. Here I have to multiply the denominator with 2 so that the LCM becomes 2. है ना? LCM is 2. That's why I'll multiply with 2. Numerator में और denominator में. So this will become 8. 8 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 8. 1 negative, 1 positive. We are going to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. Since 8 is greater than 3, the sign in front of 8 will go to the answer. So it is 5 by 3. So I've got the second equation. You tell me in the comment section, what is your equation? The third equation will be yours. Do let me know in the comment section. Now, let us solve the equation. 3 of x plus 2 minus 2 of x minus 1 equals to 7. Now, what is happening here? You have to first open the brackets using distributive property. So here we have, let's do the solution here. 3 of x plus 2 minus 2 of x minus 1 equals to 7. 3 of x plus 2 is 3 multiplied with x, 3x plus 3 multiplied with 2, 6. Minus 2 multiplied with x, minus 2x, minus 2 multiplied with minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 7. 3x minus 2x, x plus 6 plus 2, 8 is equals to 7. Now guys, you tell me, if I take this plus 8 to the other side, what will happen? What will happen if I take plus 8 to the other side? Hi Varsha, hello. Hi, Tintu. Yes, Anvay, you have got it right. Sarang also has got it right. Subtraction. Anjali also got it right. Very nice. So, 7 minus 8. Why? Because your addition, when you take it to the other side, will become subtraction. So, your x is equal to -1. ठीक है? समझ आ गया? Hi, Abhinav. Very nice. Awesome. Now, let us solve when both sides you have an equation, both sides you have a variable. Guys, don't worry. We will be doing word problems. We will also be, solving learning how to solve, make an equation. Okay? So, 5x by 3 plus 3 is equal to x plus 7. Okay? So, what will I do here? What did I tell you? Whenever you see variables on left hand side and right hand side, bring all the variables to one side, all the constants to one side. So we have 5x by 3. Your plus x, when you take it to the other side, will become minus x. I can write it as minus x by 1. And this plus 7 will be as it is. Plus 3, when you take it to the other side, will become minus 3. So here the LCM would be 3. 5x minus 3x, because I'll be multiplying with 3, is equal to 7 minus 3 will give you 4. So you cross multiply. You send 3 to the other side. So you have 2x is equal to 4 into 3. When you send division by 3 to the other side, it will become multiplication with 3. So your x is equals to 12 divided by 2. Because 2 is getting multiplied with x here. So multiplication, when you take it to the other side, will become division. 4 into 3 is 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So what is the value of your x? Your x is equal to 6. Okay? Very nice. Now let us solve few word problems. The difference between two numbers is 7. 6 times the smaller number plus the larger number is 77. Find the numbers. Now, what are they telling? That the difference between two numbers, matlab x minus y is 7. That's what they're telling. So clearly, x is greater than y here. Only then you will be getting plus 7 here, right? Now, can I write my x as 7 plus y? Yes or no? Can I write my x as 7 plus y? Yes or no? Quickly give me a yo or a no. Yes? Yes, I can write like that, no? I'm taking my y to the other side. So, I am taking the small number as y and my large number, which is x, which I will write it as y plus 7. I can write my x as y plus 7. And x is the larger number, y is the smaller number. Okay? So now you have smaller number and larger number. Now what are they telling in the second sentence? 6 times the smaller number. 6 times the smaller number. The smaller number is y. 6 times. When I use the word times, it means multiplication. 6 times y plus the large number. What is large number? X. What is x? Y plus 7 is equal to 77. So 6y plus y is equal to 77. Plus 7, you take it to the other side, will become minus 7. So that is equal to 70. So 6y plus y will give you 7y, and 7y is equal to 70. What is the value of your y? 70 by 7, which is equal to 10. Will you leave it here? No. You only got the small value, which is 10. You also have to find the value of your x, which is 7 plus y. That is 7 plus 10, which is equal to 70. समझ आ गया? Yes, everybody? Did everybody understand here? So what are the numbers? The numbers are x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 10. 17 and 10 are your values. Okay? Hi Ayush. Your next question is on your screen, everybody. I'll start the solution from here. Shikha is 3 years younger to her brother Ravish. If the sum of their ages is 37, what is their present age? Now, do we know the present age of Shikha or Ravish? We don't know. But we know that Shikha is younger than Ravish. Matlab, Shikha's age is less than Ravish's age. If I say you are younger than me, that means your age is less than me, no? That's why. So, the sum of their ages, matlab Shikha plus Ravi is equal to 37. But they're telling that Shikha is 3 years younger than Ravi. Since I said Shikha is younger, I can write Shikha's age as Ravi minus 3. So if my age is suppose say 27 and if I say you are 3 years younger than me. So what is your age? 27 minus 3 which is 24. I'm just giving you an example. Okay? So that's why since Shikha is 3 years younger than Ravish, that's why I did Shikha's present age as Ravish minus 3. Okay? So what do we know here? We know that Shikha's age plus Ravish's age is equal to 37. It is given here that the sum of their ages is equal to 37. है ना? So we have R plus R minus 3 is equal to 37. 2R. We all heard about triple R, but this is 2R is equal to 37 plus 3. Because subtraction with 3, you take it to the other side will become addition. So your 2R is equal to 40. So what will be your R? 40 divided by 2. Because 2 is getting multiplied with R. So when you take it to the other side, it will become division. So it will become 20. So what is Ravish's age? 20. Will you leave it here? No. What are their ages? Matlab, you have to find Shikha's age. You also have to find Ravish's age. You found Ravish's age. So what is Shikha's age? Shikha will be Ravish minus 3. 3 years younger. So 20 minus 3 which is equal to 17. So what is Shikha's age? 17. What is Ravish's age? 20. Easy peasy. Yes, awesome, awesome. चलो एक और सवाल करते हैं. The length of the rectangular field is twice the breadth. What are they telling? That the length of the rectangular field is twice the breadth. So will you write it as 2 plus b or will you write it as 2b? Which one is correct? Easy peasy, Haripriya ma'am, OP. Thank you, ASP. Guys, will you write L is equal to 2 plus B? Yeah, L is equal to 2B. I said the length is twice its breadth. Come on, come on, come on. Exactly. You will not write 2 plus B. When I say the length is twice, it is multiplication. So length is equal to twice the breadth. When I say twice, it is 2 multiplied with the breadth. If I say thrice, it is 3 multiplied with the breadth. Okay? Okay? Now, so in the first sentence it is given that length is equal to twice its breadth, right? If the perimeter of the field is 228 meters, find the dimension. Now, what do we know about the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Now, the perimeter is given as 228. Now 2 is getting multiplied with this entire thing L plus B. So if I take 2 to the other side, what will happen? Multiplication with 2. When you take it to the other side will become division. So this will become 114. So your length plus breadth is equal to 114. But what is length? Length is nothing but twice the breadth. It is given in the first sentence. 2b plus b. So instead of writing L, I will write 2L. 2L, 2, sorry. Instead of writing L, I will write 2b. So 2b plus b is equal to 114. So your 3b is equal to 114. What is the value of your b? 114 by 3. What is the answer, guys? What is 114 by 3? 38? Yes. What is the value of b? Awesome, ASP. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes, Anvay got it right. Your breadth is 38. So what will be the length? Your length is twice the breadth. So it is 2 multiplied with 38. Very nice. Very good, everybody. Good, good, good. So what is 8 to 8 into 2 is 16. 6 plus 1, 7. 76. So the length and the breadth is 76 and 38. Okay, please make sure that you are writing the value of length and breadth at the end, like the statement here. Okay? Okay, chalo. Let us get started with your favorite quiz time. The link is in the description box. You can use the code 228238. Come on, everybody. I can already see 7 people have joined. So let me quickly show you how to join. So you must have, so the video that you're watching right now, go to the description box. Description box, मैम क्या है? अगर आप ये पूछोगे तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको. एक तो like करना मत भूलना, ठीक है? मैं अपने खुद के वीडियो को भी like कर रही हूँ. Now, in the description box, you can see the first link here. You can see this link. Click on this link and you will be entering the VQuiz. It will ask for a credential. Just give that. Okay? Come on. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. I'll count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and are you all ready? And 10. And here's your first question on your screens. I've given a lot of time for every question. Read it very carefully. Look at the options and then press. Set up an equation in the following cases. The number b divided by 6 gives 5. That's a time up and very good, very good. A number b divided by 6, so that will be b by 6 equals to 5 gives 5. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Janvi, Tintu, Sushravya. Then we have Hisa, Joseph. I'll call you Joseph. Hisa. And rest everybody zero. Very bad. Very bad, everyone. Come on, buckle up. The second question is on your screens. Second question's on your screens, everybody. Hello, hello. Hurry up, hurry up. And don't forget to hit the like button. I've given you a lot of time to solve. Ma'am, how to join? Simran, there's a link in the description box. The first link that you're seeing, click on that. It'll ask for an OTP, few credentials. Give that, and that's it. You are in. Okay? Okay. What is this? बहुत सारे बच्चों ने गलत भी कर दिया यार. Okay. -2 of x plus 3 equals to 4. Let's solve it. -2 of x plus 3 equals to 4. यही है ना? हाँ. Okay. So -2, when you take it to the other side, it won't become +2. Why? Because -2 is an integer which is getting multiplied with x plus 3. So multiplication, when you take it to the other side, will become division. So your 4 will be getting divided with -2. Your -2 won't become +2. I know a lot of you people have made a mistake there only. है ना? So when you take it to the other side, it will become division because -2 is an integer. It's a number. Operation nahi ho raha hai. It's an identity it has. It's a number. So this is getting multiplied with x plus 3. So take it to the other side, it will become division. So 4 divided by -2 will give you -2. So x plus 3 equals to -2. So plus 3 when you take it to the other side will become -3. So x is equal to -2 minus 3, which is -5. Oh, I'm so sorry. -5. So your x is equal to -5. Your next question is on your screens, everybody. Manvi, if you can't join, do one thing. Open a new tab in your Google Chrome or take a new phone, open Google Chrome and type VQuiz.in. .com nahi hai, it's .in and enter the code 228238. Okay. Now, we have Sushravya, Janvi, then we have Shalom and Shisham. Acha. Okay. Then we have Tintu, Rohan, Mayank, Anshul, which is ASP Music. Then we have Hisa, Arnav, and Ayush. And the third question on your screens, everybody. The value of the variable that we get on solving an equation is also called as degree of the equation, root of the equation, coefficient of the variable, yeah, none of these. We get a value for the variable, no? After solving the equation using transposing or balancing method. So what is that value also called as? Okay, there is a mixed answer for all of this, guys. It is called as the root of the equation. You will learn this. Actually, you will learn this in your grade 9th and 10th. But yeah, solution of an equation is also called as root of an equation. Okay? Okay, everybody? Chalo. And let us see. We have Rohan, Mayank, Anshul. Then we have Shishravya, Kanishk, Shashank, Janvi, Shalom, and Tintu and Hisa. Very good. The fourth question is on your screen. Ma'am, I learned it now itself. Okay, no problem, no problem. 3x minus of 2 of x plus 3 equals to 0. You have to solve it. Hurry up. Okay, again a mixed answer here, but majority of you have got the correct answer, so I'm happy. Let me solve it for you guys. 3x minus 2 of x plus 3 equals to 0. है ना? What is that we have? 3x minus 2 of x plus 3 equals to 0. So 3x minus 2 multiplied with x will give you minus 2x. Minus 2 multiplied with plus 3 will give you minus 6, which is 0. 3x minus 2x will give you x. Minus 6 is 0. Your x is equal to plus 6. Minus 6, you take it to the other side, will become plus 6. Okay? Chalo, let us look at the leaderboard. Then we have Rohan, Sushravya, Mayank, Anshul, Arnav, Shalom, Tintu, Kanishk, Chirayu, and Shashank. This last question will decide the top three, and the question is on your screen. Which of the following equations don't have the solution as x is equal to 2? Four equations, simple ones I have given. Which of the following does not have x equals to 2 as the solution? Nivedita, bacha, you're a little late. Please try to be on time from the next class. Okay? Okay. Please try to be on time from the next class. The timer is starting. That's a time up, and majority of you have got here the answer x by 2 equals to minus 4. है ना? So you have x by 2 equals minus 4. So division with 2, when you take it to the other side, will become multiplication. So x is equals to minus 4 multiplied with 2, which is minus 8. समझ रहे हो? So it's not a solution. X is equal to 2 is not a solution. And this is how the final leaderboard is going to look like. We have Rohan on the top, and then they have Sushravya in the second position, and Anshul, that is ASP Music, in the third position. Very well done, everybody. Very well done. Congratulations to all the winners. We have seen the definitions of an equation in one variable, finding solution of the simple equation, how to form them, and we've also seen the word problems. If you have any doubts, reach me out on my Telegram account. You can join our Vedantu Young Wonders ka channel first. You will see me in the participants. My name is Haripriya. Okay? So thank you so much. It was lovely teaching all of you. I'm going to see you again in the next class. Until then, bye-bye.